For 46 years, Voyager 1 has been our messenger to the cosmos. It has traveled beyond 15 billion miles, venturing into uncharted interstellar space, a region no spacecraft has ever explored. But something strange just happened. In late 2023, Voyager 1 began sending back corrupted data, a signal so bizarre that even NASA's top scientists couldn't decipher it. Was it a software glitch, a cosmic event, or something more mysterious lurking in deep space? And then, just when all hope seemed lost, Voyager 1 responded. But what it sent back left NASA stunned. Voyager 1 launched on September the 5th, 1977, with a mission to explore Jupiter, Saturn, and beyond. But what started as a 5-year mission has now lasted nearly half a century. For decades, it continued transmitting critical data about deep space until November 2023, when something unexpected occurred. NASA's Deep Space Network suddenly received a garbled signal from Voyager 1. Instead of the usual engineering data that monitors the health of the spacecraft, it was sending random sequences of numbers, as if Voyager 1 had lost its memory. At first, NASA assumed it was a minor glitch, something they could patch remotely. But then, they realized something far more troubling. Voyager 1's flight data system, the computer responsible for collecting and transmitting information, had seemingly forgotten how to communicate. NASA engineers at the Jet Propulsion Laboratory, or JPL, had a problem. Voyager 1 was billions of miles away, and each command sent to the spacecraft took over 22 hours to reach it. To make things worse, the team had no direct control over the spacecraft's aging systems. The Flight DS was built using 1970s technology, long before the modern software debugging tools existed. The only hope: reprogramming Voyager 1 from over 15 billion miles away without being able to see what was actually wrong. For months, NASA worked to decode the corrupted data. Every signal was analyzed, every byte of information studied, but nothing made sense. And then, in January 2024, NASA made a bold decision. They sent a command to force Voyager 1 to restart a portion of its systems, hoping it would snap out of its mysterious malfunction. And on March 1st, 2024, after nearly 4 months of radio silence, Voyager 1 responded. When Voyager 1 finally transmitted data back to Earth, NASA expected to receive normal telemetry information about its systems. But instead, what they got was something completely different. The spacecraft sent back a short burst of readable data, but embedded within it was a pattern of numbers that scientists had never seen before. At first, it seemed random, just another system glitch. But upon closer inspection, engineers noticed a repeating sequence, a pattern so specific that some began to wonder, had Voyager 1 encountered something it wasn't supposed to? NASA is still working to understand what Voyager 1 actually sent. But there are 3 leading theories about what could have happened. The simplest explanation is that Voyager 1's flight data system is failing. After nearly 50 years in deep space, cosmic radiation and aging hardware could be corrupting its memory. If that's the case, it's only a matter of time before Voyager 1 permanently shuts down. But this doesn't explain the strange, structured pattern hidden in its last transmission. Voyager 1 is currently traveling through the interstellar medium, a region of space filled with charged particles from exploded stars. Some scientists believe the spacecraft may have encountered an unknown phenomenon, a disturbance in the plasma environment that somehow interfered with its ability to transmit data correctly. But there's a third theory, one that NASA isn't talking about publicly. This theory is controversial, but it's gaining traction among independent researchers. Voyager 1 is constantly listening to the space around it. If it detected an unknown signal, its old computer systems might have struggled to process it, resulting in the strange pattern sent back to Earth. Could it be a naturally occurring cosmic frequency or something more? Right now, NASA remains tight-lipped about the true nature of Voyager 1's last message. NASA's engineers are now working on a final set of commands to try and fully restore Voyager 1's ability to communicate properly. But here's the harsh truth. Voyager 1's time is running out. Its power source, radio isotope thermoelectric generators, is slowly dying. By 2025, it will no longer have enough energy to keep all of its instruments running. By 2030, it could fall completely silent. If NASA is unable to restore full communication, this could be the last message we ever receive from Voyager 1. But maybe, just maybe, its final message is something we haven't yet deciphered. For nearly 5 decades, Voyager 1 has carried the golden record, a message from humanity to any extraterrestrial life that may find it. But what if Voyager 1 wasn't just sending a message? What if it received one? As NASA works to decode the last transmission, we may be closer than ever to uncovering one of the greatest space mysteries of all time. What do you think? Was this just a technical failure, or did Voyager 1 encounter something beyond our understanding? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more space mysteries. Because one thing is certain, the universe is watching.